Hey guys, we're going to have a bit of fun with a double note slide, and it is exactly what it sounds like. So using double notes and sliding them across the fretboard. Now the trick is finding out where you can actually go, because as scales move around, the sort of pattern that you might have might not work somewhere else. So we'll kick off with the technique anyway. And we're just going to do a nice little one here. Works really well with blues. In the E minor here, what we've got is second finger on the 3rd fret on the G string and first finger on the 2nd fret of the B. And we're going to pick that. I'm just using finger picking. You can use a pick. And we're just going to slide it up 1 fret. Okay. Alright, where this can be used is in great little blues runs. Alright, so you've got very simple. Now, that's just a subtle one. If you want something a bit bolder, we're going to go, alright, E. I've got my E minor here, I've got my pentatonic which fits in here as well. Same pattern, cool. I can actually go, slide right up there. So my second finger's finishing on the 9th, so give that one a go. And you can put them together as well. Finish with a little note there on the 10th. All right. Now we've used those 2 notes, but where else can we do it? We've got here. And we've got these great little ones up on the 12th where sliding back. Okay, so we can get some really cool stuff going there. So when you put in your double note hammer-ons and pull-offs and mix it in with the slides, and you start to get some really cool blistering leads. So let's have a look at that. So we're going to the 15th, sliding back 1, double note on the 12th, 15th, same thing, slide back, then again. Now, not as effective, but we'll just go to a double note there and back. So a double note up onto the D. So and you start to get some really cool lead going on. Now, putting this in as well, you can slip it into riffs and you can move it right back up the guitar. Look, it's wherever you can find those 2 notes together, it'll work. So, double note slide. Well, where else could we use it? You've got these little pieces of chord. You're actually sliding that in. You can also do it with a 5th. So all right, so that's getting a little power chord there. Power chords just being 1st and 5th. There's not a lot to them. Now, So you can slide your fifth, but when you go to slide your third, it gets a little bit trickier because the third changes. When you have a look at the modes, you'll see why. But there are some spots where it is the same. So if I'm starting in a, let's go with that D, key of D, D minor will go, and I've got my minor third is this. All right, now my major note, okay, is up here. All right, so we're going to go up to our F. Now, if I'm sliding this up to an F, oh, really off. It's got to be a major third when we get there. So the trick is sliding your fingers, but one of them is going to slide a little bit further than the other. So, all right, sliding. So minor third into a major third. All right, and you can do it the other way around. All right, so it's knowing where those thirds are. All right, that gives you a few different things to work on there with double note slides. So we'll leave it there, and I'll see you next time.